Question 7 of this exercise says draw a right triangle in which the sides other than hypotenuse are of lengths 4 cm and 3 cm. Then construct another triangle whose sides are 5 by 3 times the corresponding sides of the given triangle. So let's start with the steps of construction. We need to draw BC equal 4 cm. At B, make an angle CBY equal 90 degree. Mark A on BY such that BA equal 3 cm. Join A to C and thus triangle ABC is constructed. So let's draw BC that measure 4 cm. So this is B and this is C and it measure 4 centimeter. Now we need to draw angle CBY that measure 90 degree. So this is CBY and it measure 90 degree. Now in the next step we need to put the compass at B and we need to measure the opening as 3 centimeter and we need to draw an arc like this and the point of intersection we will name it as A. Then we need to join A to C. So we'll draw a line to join A and C and we have got triangle ABC. Now in the next step we need to draw ray BX so that angle CBX is acute. So we'll draw BX and we'll name it as X. We have got angle CBX as acute angle. Now we need to mark 5 points on BX, B1, B2, B3, B4, B5 such that BB1 equal B1, B2 equal B2, B3 equal B3, B4 equal B4, B5. So we'll mark the points like this. Now in the next step we need to join B3 to C and draw B5C dash parallel to B3C so that C dash lies on the extension of BC. So let's join B3 and C. And after that we need to draw a line parallel to B3C like that and we'll name the point of intersection as C dash. Now in the next step, draw C dash A dash parallel to CA to intersect extension of BA at A dash. So we'll draw a line like that and we'll name the point of intersection as A dash. So this C dash A dash is parallel to CA. So we have got the required triangle that is BA dash C dash that is similar to BAC. Now let's do the justification of this construction. In triangle B5C dash, B3C is parallel to B5C dash. So we'll get CC dash by BC equal 2 by 3. Then we need to add 1 to both the sides. And when we add 1 to both the sides, we'll get BC dash by BC equal 5 by 3. And triangle BAC is similar to triangle BA dash C dash by AAA similarity criteria. So corresponding sides are proportional. BA dash by BA equal BC dash by BC equal C dash A dash by CA equal 5 by 3.
To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.